Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I know I'm uploading video after a long time. Sorry for that, I was very busy. So today we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 2, equations and formulae. And we are going to do exercise 2.1. And we're gonna complete the whole exercise today. And after some time I'll upload the solution for exercise 2.2. So let's start with the solution. Here in the question 1, you can read that when x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3, what is x minus y? So actually we have to get the value of it. So the value of x is 6 and y is 3 is already given. We simply have to put the values. So for x minus 1, the value of x is 6 and the value of y is 3. So it's gonna be 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, right? So our answer is 6. Now for question number B, it's 3x. So 3 times the value of x is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So our answer is 18. Now for question number C, 2y. 2 multiplied by the value of y. Value of y is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer is 6. Now for question number D, it's x over y. So the value of x is 6 and the value of y is 3. Now it will be 2. For question number E, 2y over x. 2 times the value of y is 6 and the value of x is 3. So 2 times 6 is 12 over 3 and the answer will be 4. So here the answer is 4 and for question D the answer is 2. Now for question number F, xy. So the value of x is 6 multiplied by value of y, which is 3. It's gonna be 18. Okay, now let's move for the question number 2. So question 2 says Jack is 3 years older than Adele. Write an expression for Jack's age where Adele's age is x years old. In the question it is given that Adele age is x year old. So we'll say Adele age is x. And it says Jack is 3 years older than Adele. So actually the Jack age will be x plus 3 because Jack is 3 years older than Adele age. So the expression will look like x plus 3. Now let's come to the question number 3. So question number 3 says write an expression for cost of 5 cinema tickets at y euro each. So 5 cinema tickets, it means you have to multiply 5 times y, which is equals to 5y. So 5y is our answer for question number 3. Let's come to the question number 4. It says work out the outputs for each function machine. So the input is given as 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and we have to perform the operation plus 6 and then we have to write the answer in the output section. So how we gonna do that? Okay, so first input is 0 and here you have to do 0 plus 6, which is 6. Next is 1. We have to perform plus operation plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. And 3 plus 6 is 9. So these are our output. Okay. Now next is for question number B, 0 and we have to here multiply with 5. So 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 times 5 is 15. So these are our outputs. So question number 5 says use the inverse function to find each missing inputs. Okay, outputs are given and we have to find the missing inputs. So we already know the reverse, like inverse of multiplication is division, right? So when you are going back here, you have to divide it with 2. Okay, so 16 divided by 2 is 8. So our answer will be 8 here. Okay, now it will be the opposite of division, it's multiplication. So 4 times 5 is 20 and here 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now next, okay, here is subtraction, so we have to perform the addition. Plus 8, 12 plus 8 is how much? 20, and 20 minus 8 is 12. So we are also done with question number 5. Okay, now come to question number 6. Question number 6 says copy and complete the function machine to solve these equations. Question number A says x minus 6 is equals to 4. X minus 6 is giving us 4. So 4 plus 6, we have to apply here inversion function. So 4 plus 6 is 10, right? And here if you will put the value of x as 10, so 10 minus 6, which is actually giving you 4. So we got the value of x, which is 10. Now come to question number B. So we have to apply here the inversion operation. 4x is equals to 12. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So apply here division. 12 divided by 4 give you 3. And here you got the value of x as 3 because 4 times 3 is equals to 12, right? So the value of x is 3. Now come to question number C. Here division is there, we have to apply multiplication 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So the value of x is 21. Write the values here. The value of x is 10. The value of x is 3. And for question number D, x plus 11 is equals to 8. So plus is there, we have to do minus 11. So 8 minus 11 is how much? It's minus 3, right? So our answer is minus 3. Now check. Minus 3 plus 11 is actually gonna get 8 here. Okay, now let's come to question number 7. Draw a function machine to solve these equations. I think you can do it by yourself by solving the function machines. Like this, you have to represent each question. Let me do question number 7a for you. So 7a says 3x is equals to 18. So what you can do, you can write x, and in the function you can write multiplied by 3 is getting 18, right? So now here 18, reverse it, so the function will be divided by 13 and the answer will be 6 here. So the value of x is 6, right? Now check it by value, putting the value of x. 3 times 6 is 18. So we got our answer. Now same for question number B, you can do 7b. 7b is n plus 15 is equals to 21. So you can do function is plus 15 giving you 21. Now invert it here. For plus it is minus 15. So minus 15 and plus 21 will give you 6. So the value of n is 6. So the value of x here is 6 and the value of n here is 6. Let's verify the answer now. Put the value here, n plus 15, and check whether you are getting 21 or not. The value of n is 6 plus 15. 6 plus 15 is 21, right? So our answer is correct. Now do for question number C. M over 5 is equals to 2. So m over 5, question number C, is equals to 2. So here m, you are doing the division operation. By 5 you are getting 2. So here it's 2. For division it's going to be multiplication with 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So the value of m is 10. Here you can write m is equals to 10. Now for question number D, p minus 0.7 is equals to 2.1. Question D says p minus 0.7 is equals to 2.1. Okay, so p, here you are doing the subtraction operation, which is 0.7 minus 0.7, which is giving us 2.1. So here for 2.1 you can add 0.7 and you will get the answer. So 0.7 plus 2.1 will give you 2.8. Okay, so the value of p is 2.8. Now let's verify it. Put the value here. 2.8 minus 0.7, you are going to get 2.1. So our answer is 2.8. It's correct. So p is equals to 2.8 for question D. So question number 8a, z plus 15 is equals to 27. We have to get the value of z. Z equals to 27 minus 15. So z equals to 27 minus 15 is 12. Okay, and how this happens? Because this 15 is moving on the right hand side of the equal to sign. That's why the sign is changing. I hope this point is clear. Sorry. Okay, so the value of z is 12. Okay, now question number B. 4x is equals to 30x. So 4 is multiplied with x. We have to find the value of x. So x is equals to 36 divided by 4, or you can write x is equals to 36 over 4, which is going to give you 9. So for this one, x is equals to 9. Now for question number C. Question number C says y over 7 is equals to 3. So 7 is in division, so it will move on the right hand side of the equal to sign. So it will become like multiplied with 3. So y is equals to 3 times 7, which is going to give you 21. So here y is equals to 21. Now question number D. It is 1.2 plus c is equals to 4.6. So c is equals to 4.6 minus 1.2. And why it happens? Because 1.2 on the left hand side, it was in positive, no sign is written, it means it is in plus. So if you are moving that number on the right hand side, the sign will change. So 4.6 minus 1.2, you are going to get 3.4. The value of C is 3.4. So here C is equals to 3.4. Now question number E. Question number E says 3A is equals to 2.7. Let me erase all these. Okay. Question number E says 3A is equals to 2.7. We have to get the value of A. 3 is in multiplication with A. So on the right hand side it will be n division, or you can write like this also, 2.7 over 3. So divide it and tell me the answer. 2.7 divided by 3 is 0.9. Sorry, it's 0.9. So the answer is x is equals to 0.9. Now for question number F. K over 0.5 is equals to 6. 0.5 is in division form, so the value of K will be 6 times 0.5. Now multiply it, 0.5 times 6, it's be 3. The value of K is equals to 3. Now question number G. Question number G says x plus 5 is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 minus 5, because like this is on the left hand side, so it is moving on the right hand side, so the sign will change to minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is, it's minus 4. The value of x is minus 4. Now question number H. Question number H is 7 plus y is equals to minus 10. So y is equals to minus 10 minus 7 is equals to minus 17. The value of y is minus 17. Now question number I. Minus 5n is equals to 15. Minus 5n is equals to 15. Now solve it. Minus 5 is in multiplication with n, right? Like this. So for n, minus 5 will be in division. So 15 divided by minus 5. Or you can write n is equals to 15 over minus 5, which is also equals to this. So this is gonna give you minus 3, right? So the answer is, for I, n is equals to minus 3. Now for question number J. 3p is equals to 0. 3 is in multiplication with p. On the right hand side 3 will move, so it will be divided by 3. So it's gonna get 0. The value of p is 0. Now k is equals to, question number K, minus 2 plus x is equals to minus 3. Minus 2 plus x is equals to minus 3. That was the question number K. Okay. Minus 2 will move on this side, so the sign will change. X is equals to minus 3. It will become plus 2. So the value of x is minus 1. So it's x is equals to minus 1. Now question number L. Minus x is equals to, minus k is equals to 7. I think it's minus k. It's minus x. So how you can represent minus x? It means minus 1 is multiplied with x, right? So if minus 1 will move here, what will happen? It is also equals to this, right? So Any number divided by 1 is the number itself, so our answer is -7. So here for L, x is equals to -7. Okay, now question number 9. Substitute the values into each formula. Solve the equation to find the unknown value. Okay, so we have to find the value of x, and the value of E is given. Let's do it. I'm going to solve this with blue pen so you guys can identify. So x minus 2 is equals to E. It means x minus 2 is equals to 9, right? We have put the value of E, which is 9. So it will move here. So x is equals to 9 plus 2, right? 9 plus 2 is 11. So the value of x is 11. Now question number B. M over 4 is equals to D. M over 4 is equals to D, and the value of D is 2. Let me erase. Wait. Question number 9b. M over 4 is equals to D, and the value of D is 2. So M over 4 is equals to 2. 4 is in multiplication, so it will be 4 is in division with M, so it will be in multiplication with 2. So M is equals to 8. Here the answer is M is equals to 8 for question B. Now question C. 60 is equals to U, and the value of U is 30. 60 is equals to U, and the value of U is equals to 30. So 6 is multiplication with T, and the value of U is 30. So here the sign will change. 30 divided by 6, which is 5. So the value of T is 5. Now question number D. D is equals to M over V. The value of D is 7, and the value of V is 2. Let's do it. D is equals to M over V, and the value of M is 7 and V is 2. Okay, so you're gonna get this answer in decimals. It's gonna be 3.5. So for question number D, the value of D is 3.5. Now question number E. V is equals to IR. V is 6 and I is 3. V is equals to IR, where V is equals to 6, I is equals to 3, I guess. Yes. And we have to get the value of R. So V is equals to 6 and I is 3 multiplied with R. So 3 is in multiplication with R. So it will be in division with 3. We'll get the value. It's 2. So R is equals to 2 for question number E. Now S is equals to D over T. Question number F. S is equals to D over T, and the value of D and T is given. Sorry, S and T is given. S is 4, 10 is T. S is 4, T is 10, and we have to get the value of D. Just put the values. S is 4. We don't know the value of D, and the value of T is 10. So 10 is in division with D, right? So it will be in multiplication with 4, and we'll get the value of D, which is 40. So D is equals to 40 here. let's come to question number 10. So question says an online retailer adds €3 post and packing to each order. Okay, now question A says write a formula for the total cost C for an order of €X. And the question B says work out the value for the order of €X when the cost is €36.50. And the hint is also given. If you want to try, you can try the question by yourself. So for question A, the cost is equals to, we have to find the cost, right? The cost is equals to X plus 3, because we don't know the orders, right? How many orders are there? So the order of €X, so that's how we calculate the cost. It is given here, a hint. C is equals to, so the answer is X plus 3. Now question number B, work out the value of the order €X when the total cost is 36.50. You got the expression, which is C is equals to X plus 3. Just put the value here. The cost is 36.50 and the value of X is unknown. We don't know. We have to find that value. Now put it. So 36.50 minus 3 is equals to X. So X is equals to, now you can calculate. So it will be 33.50. So the answer for the X, get the value as 33.50. Now question number 11. Write an equation for these three angles. So as you know, the sum of, and the hint is also given, what do the angles on the straight line add up to? 180 degree, right? When you solve all these value of X, will get the value as 180 degree. So we can do X plus X plus X is equals to 180 degree, right? So X plus X plus X is 3X is equals to 180 degree. Now X is equals to 180 divided by 3, so it will be 60. So each angle is 60 degree. Okay, when you will add all these, you will get 180 degree. Now come to question number B. Solve your equation to find the value of X. So already we solved it and we get the value of X, and the equation was this. Question A asks for the equation, and the equation looks like this. Okay, and we have solved. So the value of X is 60 for question B. Now question number 12. Work out the value of M. We have to find the value of M. Okay, work out the size of the three angles. Okay, so first we have to find the value of M. So we already know M plus 2M plus 3M is equals to 180 degree. So it will be 6M is equals to 180 degree. So M is equals to 180 divided by 6, which is 30. The value of M is 30 degree. Okay, so this angle will be 30 degree. This is 2M, means 2 times 30, which is 60 degree. This is 3M, so 3 times 30, which is 90 degree. Now next is question number 13. Work out the sizes of the missing angles in the triangle. Okay, so we have to, as we know, and the hint is already given, what do the angles in a triangle add up to? When you will add all the angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degree. So 108 degree plus A plus 2A, add it. So it will be 108 plus 3A is equals to 180 degree, right? So 3a is equals to 180 minus 108. 3a is equals to 72. So a is equals to 72 over 3. So 72 divided by 3 is 24. So this angle is 24 degree and this is 2a. So 2 times 24 is 48. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now come to question number 14. It says 1 week Chris spent 12 hours on his PlayStation. He spent the same length of time each weekday and twice as much each day at the weekend. How long did he spend on his PlayStation on Saturday? Give your answer in hours and minute. And the hint is also given there. So use n to stand for the minute for the number of hours in each day. Okay, so they have divided weekdays and weekend. So let the number be n, which is they have already here hinted. If you want to solve this question by yourself, you can pause the video and solve it. So the total hours spent in 1 week is the sum of the hours spent on 5 weekdays and 2 weekends. Right, that's why they have taken here the 5 weekdays and 2 weekends. So the total are given as 12 hours, right? So the equation will look like 5n plus 2 times 2n is equals to 12. And why 2 times 2n? Because in the question it says twice as much each day at the weekend. Okay, so now you can solve it. 5n plus 4n is equals to 12, which is 9n is equals to 12. So n is equals to 12 over 9, which is going to be 4 over 3. So we got the value of n. So we can say on each day he is working for 4 over 3. So for weekday and weekends you can calculate. In the weekends it is working like twice of 4 over 3. So for 2n it's 2 times 4 over 3, which is 8 over 3. Now convert hours to hours and minutes. These all the answers are in hour. Now we have to convert this. Okay, so 8 times 3 multiplied by 60, because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes, right? So multiply it and you will get 8 times 20, because 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 20 is 160 minutes, and 160 minutes is equals to 2 hours and 40 minutes, right? So this is our answer, 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now question number 15. Tickets for 2 adults and 3 children at the zoo come to €28. An adult ticket costs twice as much as child ticket. Work out the price for an adult ticket. Okay. So for this question, let C be the price of a child ticket and A be the price of an adult ticket. So the total cost for 2 adults and 3 children is €28, which is already given in the question. And adult ticket cost twice as much as a child. So A is equals to 2C. Okay. A is representing adult ticket price and C is representing child ticket price. Okay, so the equation will become 2a plus 3c is equals to 28. Now you can solve this equation by putting the value of a. The value of a is 2c, so 2 times 2c plus 3c is equals to 28. So it will be 4c plus 3c is equals to 28. It's 7c is equals to 28. C is equals to 28 by 7. So C is equals to 4. Okay. So the price of child ticket is euro 4. You can write, okay, it is asked for adult ticket. We know the price of child ticket, so we can put the value here and we can get the price of adult ticket. So A is equals to 2c, right? And the value of C is 4. So the price of adult ticket is 8 euros. This is our answer. So the price of adult ticket is 8. Okay, now question number 16 comes. Okay, so now question number 16 says how far can a car travel in 10 seconds? Is it easier to explore this question now that you have completed the lesson? What further information you need to be able to answer this? Okay, if you know the answer, you can type the answer in the comment section. And yes, I'm gonna cover this question also. Don't be stressed. So the distance a car can travel in 10 seconds cannot be determined without more information. Like distance, I hope you know the formula, which is distance is equals to speed into time, right? So time is given and which is 10 seconds. So to calculate the distance, we need the value of speed also. Okay, so that is the explanation for this question. Now question number 17. It says reflect, write down the steps you take to solve question like once in this lesson. Okay, you can do it by yourself. And I think we are done with exercise 2.1. Stay tuned for exercise 2.2. I'll be uploading the 2.2 exercise very soon. And thank you to be with me. And one more important announcement, that I have launched my own website in which each and every detail of my class is mentioned. I think I have uploaded my phone number and my email ID so that students can get directly connect with me. You can go and visit my website. You can check everything, what are the subjects I'm teaching. And yeah, if you need any one-on-one session, you can directly reach out to me. And that's all about the lesson and the information that I want to provide you. I will attach all the links in the description box. Thank you so much to stay till the end. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe my video.